How to draw a straight line in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Canva application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now all you have to do is just tap on the plus icon over here at the bottom of the screen, and as you tap on that, you can just select any of the templates over here, or you can just start with a new template by yourself. Then you'll be able to land into a fresh page over here just like this one. Now what you need to do in order to draw a straight line in Canva is just go to the elements option at the bottom of the screen. And then here you can see the option of line over here. So tap on line, and as you tap on line, you'll be able to see different shapes over here. So tap on see all, and as you tap on see all, you'll be able to see different straight lines. I'm going to go for this one. And here you can enlarge it, or you can just decrease the size of it as well. You can select the line color at the bottom of the screen. You can select different colors over here. Then you can select the line style on how thick you would want for your lines to be. And then you can select different designs as well over here. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.